video of my new rental listing at 105 Laurel Avenue. It's a beautiful 1920s colonial with a front porch, brick leading up to it. Really nice. I'm going to try to go a little bit on the fast side. You enter into your family room, gas fireplace, really pretty. And then we've got a beautiful formal dining room, all Pella windows, and then of course wood floors. And we go right into the granite eat-in kitchen, which is quite nice. We're on natural gas here. Got sewers. And then you've got a half a bath here. And then in the kitchen area, we've got a lovely pantry, large pantry. And I'm going to take a run upstairs. Here we go. Actually, I'll show you the front door in the family room again. Go up the stairs. Nice window in the hallway. You can see the beautiful yard and the two-car garage. We'll see more of that. Got the full bath. Bedroom. Nice windows. Another bedroom. Nice windows. And a third bedroom. Nice windows. Pull down attic also. A couple of closets on this level. Go down the stairs. It's a great house. It's right in the village. You can walk to the library, which is super nice. Okay, I'm going to take you out in the backyard. It's my favorite part of the house. Go the other way. Sorry. The two-car garage, which is detached, and that leads right into fully fenced backyard patio, which is lovely. Got the hydrangeas blooming. Another area here, and then you've got the yard. Really a big yard. It's really nice. All different maples and hydrangeas, forsythia. And then you can see the back of the house. And that's it.